Here are the directions for the Bryce jersey warm-up. Step 1 is to go to Google and to find a jersey or a shirt or anything that you would like. It does not have to be specifically a football jersey. I'm actually going to choose a DC United jersey. You can find a jersey or a t-shirt, concert t-shirt, does not matter. Search images. Try to find one that has a dark t-shirt with a lighter background or white background. Do not try to have anything with a gradient or anything, or a white t-shirt, because it's going to be hard to select it out of the background. So I'm just going to choose this one, which is the first one. Go to View Image. Right click on the actual image, Save Picture As, and I'm going to save it to my desktop or to my own folder. I already have it there, that's great. Then I'm going to open up Photoshop. This is Photoshop. Okay. Go to your Start menu, Photoshop CC, make sure you open that. Go to File, Open, and then open your jersey. If you want to view it larger, go to View, Fit on Screen, which is Control 0. There you go. It's pixelated, but it's not that big a deal. You now have to make a selection. You can do it one of two ways. My way is just to use the magic wand tool and to select the white outline. Okay. You can see there's some of the gray from the shadow showing too. Not that big a deal. Or you can actually press the Shift button and select that as well. Shift to add to that selection, which is here. Add to selection. So now that I have that selected, I'm actually going to select the inverse. I'm selecting the white background. And now if you turn off the background, or make a new layer, as a matter of fact, make a new layer, then turn off the background, you can see the outline of the jersey itself. We need to get that outline and fill it with black. Go to Edit, Fill with Black, press OK. You can also just use your paintbrush and paint it in black, or you can use the Paint Bucket tool and fill it with your foreground color, which is black. Alright, so now you did that. Go to Select and Deselect, which is Control D, and you have the outline and the jersey itself. You're going to save two images. Alright, you already have the original jersey saved, so now you need to save an image of your black shirt. So go to File, Save As, and I'm just going to save this as jersey black to my files as a JPEG. Alright, so I have two JPEGs now. One is black, one is the original. Press Save. Don't worry about the options, press OK. I need those two things. Now I'm going to go to Bryce, which is in All Programs, My Applications, scroll down to the Bryce folder, select Bryce 6. Then you will go to Make a Symmetrical Lattice, go to the E for Edit, go to Picture, in the editing tools, select the black jersey. This is that black image, and you'll see that you'll have the black image right here and the white outline. That's perfect. But the wrong thing is, this is an indentation into a symmetrical lattice, so we want to invert this. White denotes height, so that means that the white is creating the height of this jersey. It's kind of messed up around the edges, so if you want to clean it up a little bit, you can. I'm going to make my brush a little bit smaller and set my height all the way up there and my pressure all the way up. I can actually clean this up a little bit around the edges. Hard edge brush. There we go. Clean it up around the edges. Great. And maybe bring the height down and erase around the edges a little bit too, because there's some extras around there that I can clean up. Feeling good? I say OK and check this off. Now I have my shirt here. It's very tall and very thick, so I can select in the Y or go to the Edit menu and go to the Resize in the Y and squish it down by dragging to the left. Alright, and then I'm going to reposition it in the Y up, and then I'm going to turn it towards me by moving the X and the Y, dragging to the left each time. Then I'm going to kind of zoom in with my camera controls, and now I will notice that I've got this black t-shirt with that default texture on it. I don't want that texture. I'm going to change that texture, that material that's on the front. Go back to my preview mode, go to materials, and just like we did with the mask, everything in the top A column for color, P for picture, pink button, and then select an open area. Go to my desktop where I had saved it, find out where you saved your original jersey. Here's that original jersey file. Press open. Now it's in there. This is the image that I would like to map onto that surface that I used. I can set this to actual selection, and I can get a preview of what it actually looks like. That's good. I feel good about that. I'm going to press the check mark, and I can move this up a little bit, render it, and don't forget, you're going to save image as. You are all done. You can change the direction of the sunlight if you want, whatever else, but the key here is to go to File, Save Image As, and save it as a JPEG with your last name, first initial, Bryce, Jersey, and then save it and turn it into the turn-in folder on the server.